The builder crowd is a tough crowd. They are very hard to impress. We've had speakers before that haven't impressed our group. But Matthew came in and he really did. He impressed everybody. Everything he said was very applicable and very actionable. These are business owners, very successful business owners of multi-million-dollar companies, but everybody needs to know about rapid growth, and they were all very intrigued by everything he said. Matthew came in and he gave us steps to work through. It was really more like a workshop, and it was all extremely good information, like what are your best customers? We all came up with different answers, but we all came up with the right answer of how to achieve that rapid growth. The important thing about any small business is growth, and if you're looking for rapid growth, you need someone who really has that experience. Matthew does use storytelling a lot when he speaks, and I think that really helps you connect with him. It really makes you understand where he comes from, and also that if he can accomplish the things he's accomplished, it really gives you that encouragement that you can do the same. Every single one of those builders was gathered around him at the end of the session trying to get more information from him, because he's really the very first speaker who every word out of his mouth was very applicable to them, and they felt like it was very valuable information. Donna is our moderator, and she goes to all the various meetings across the country with all these different builders, and she said, I've never seen builders standing around someone, just swarmed around him at the end, asking questions, trying to hear every word he said. Quite impressive. I told Matthew he's probably one of the most brilliant marketing minds I've ever talked to in my life, and I've never said that to anyone else. And we've worked with lots of marketing professionals in the past, but none like him.